Hello friends, in this video I am going to solve a next exercise question from book Topics in Algebra. Question is, let G be the set of real 2 cross 2 matrices ABCD where AD minus BC is a non-zero rational number. Prove that G forms a group under matrix multiplication. Now we know that any non-empty set G with a binary operation star becomes a group if star satisfies the four conditions, that are closureness, associativity, existence of identity and existence of inverse. So here, in order to check whether the given set G with a given binary operation forms a group or not, we will check all these four properties one by one. Note that for a given 2 cross 2 matrix ABCD, AD minus BC will be determinant of matrix ABCD. Thus, here I have written the set G in this form. Here G is a set of all 2 cross 2 matrices with determinant of matrix ABCD non-zero and determinant of matrix ABCD is some rational number. Here binary operation star is usual matrix multiplication. First property is closureness. For given two matrices A and B in set G, we have determinant of A is a non-zero rational number, determinant of B is also a non-zero rational number. Then A star B will be product of matrix AB will be a matrix of this form. Now note that determinant of matrix AB is equal to determinant of matrix A multiplied by determinant of matrix B. This is by property of determinant. Therefore, determinant of matrix AB will be non-zero and determinant of matrix AB will be a rational number, as determinant of matrix A and determinant of matrix B are two non-zero rational numbers. Therefore, their product will be again a non-zero rational number. Thus, for any two matrices AB in set G, we have A star B is again a matrix in set G. Therefore, here star, that is a binary operation of usual matrix multiplication, will be closed for given set G. Next property is associativity. We know that matrix multiplication is always associative. Therefore, for any three matrices ABC in set G, we have A star B star C equals to product of matrix AB with C, that will be equal to product ABC, and again A star B star C will be product of matrix A with matrix BC, and that will be equal to product ABC. So here star is also associative. Now it is interesting to note that determinant of matrix ABC will be non-zero, and also that will be some rational number, as determinant of A, determinant of B, determinant of C are non-zero, and determinant of A, determinant of B, determinant of C are rational number. So their product will be again some non-zero rational number. Thus ABC will be again a member of set G. Up till now we have checked two conditions, closureness and associativity. Now next one is existence of identity. Note that 2 cross 2 identity matrix will be element of set G, as determinant of identity matrix is non-zero and determinant of identity matrix is 1 and 1 is a rational number. Therefore, 2 cross 2 identity matrix will be an identity element for given set G with a given binary operation, and this proves existence of identity. Now next property is existence of inverse. For any given matrix A1, B1, C1, D1 in set G, we have determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now we know that any matrix A will have inverse if and only if its determinant is non-zero. Therefore, for a given matrix A inverse exists, and also determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A, and as determinant of A is non-zero, therefore determinant of A inverse will be also non-zero. In addition to that, 1 upon determinant of A, that is determinant of A inverse, will be a rational number, as determinant of A is a rational number. Therefore, for given matrix A in set G, A inverse will be again a matrix in set G. Therefore, for all matrices A in set G, their inverses are also in G. This proves our fourth property, existence of inverse. Thus, from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have the given set G of all 2 cross 2 matrices with determinant of each matrix is a non-zero rational number. This set G with a binary operation star as a matrix multiplication is a group, and this proves our result.